Hi, this is Matthew Powell, and this is Amanda, and we're coming at you on location from Dance Teacher Web Live in beautiful sunny Las Vegas. And today we're going to give you a how-to for pirouettes from fifth position, right? So a lot of times pirouettes from fifth are very, very, very difficult to do, and I like to break it down by doing half turns. We take one passe, we land to the back, one to the front, and then I have the student try a full turn. Now when they're executing this exercise, you want to make sure the student has an even demi-plie on both legs right there, because what happens is if you get one foot this way and one foot maybe up, or if it's uneven like that, the pirouette will then shoot to one side. So Amanda's going to show right here. She's going to take a tendu to the side. She's going to cross to the front and demi-plie, do a half turn facing back. Lovely. And then she takes the left leg and she takes a tendu side. She crosses front. She takes a half turn facing to the front. Beautiful. And then we try the full one now after this. She takes a tendu side, a demi-plie, pirouette the whole way around, demi-plie, and a sous-sus to finish out 6 and 7 and 8. And then we do the other side. She takes tendu side, demi-plie, pirouette, half turn. Same thing, other side. Even plie, draw it up, and land. And then the full one, demi-plie, and all the way around, and plie, and a nice big sous-sus, 6, and finishing right there. As with any pirouette from fifth position, whether doing a half turn or a full turn, you want to be sure that the plie is even, but also once we're in the middle of the turn, that the legs land together in one piece. It's really important to practice it that way, guys, right? So these are pirouettes from fifth position. I hope it was a huge help. And just remember, guys, find your fifth.